Imagine awakening in a realm where up and down are mere concepts, a morning set in the zero-gravity embrace of space. This is the reality for astronauts, far from being a dream. Their day begins with a gentle float from a sleeping bag, tethered to the spacecraft wall, rather than the pull of gravity towards a morning coffee. We explore the astronauts' distinctive morning routines, an adaptation dance in the microgravity of space stations. Each action, from brushing their teeth to the innovative ways they wash without running water, underscores human adaptability and ingenuity required to thrive in space. Adjusting to life in microgravity represents relearning daily activities. This segment, Awakening in Zero Gravity, not only showcases the physical but also the mental adjustments astronauts undertake to make space their home, albeit temporarily. Highlighted too is the morning routine, a symbol of adaptability, showcasing the resilience necessary in outer space. As our journey progresses, we'll discover how these adjustments permeate every aspect of life in space, from personal hygiene to the communal spirit of shared meals in zero gravity, epitomizing human innovation and the desire to explore. As dawn illuminates the cosmos, astronauts commence their day with meticulous space hygiene routines instead of traditional showers. Utilizing no-rinse shampoo and specially designed wipes, they maintain cleanliness, buoyant in spirit and health. Brushing teeth transforms into an act of precision, with water being a scarce resource. This routine, far from mundane, embodies the resilience and calculated planning essential in space. This part of our journey underscores not the challenges of space hygiene alone, but the innovation spirit enabling humanity to stretch beyond Earth's confines. We explore the blend of extraordinary and familiar as astronauts gather for their first meal, floating utensils included, symbolizing unity and shared experiences despite the distance from Earth. This act of eating together, along with adjusting to the absence of gravity, fuels our appreciation for the adaptability and camaraderie in space. Within the orbiting home of astronauts, morning adopts an unconventional definition. Yet, every day commences with breakfast in orbit, a ritual that nurtures both body and the spirit of camaraderie. Here, space food preparation, part art and part science, requires astronauts to adapt cooking to zero gravity. This shared meal is more than sustenance. It's a moment of unity that transcends the surrounding vastness. These quotidian activities in orbit take on new dimensions, symbolizing collaboration and togetherness. As we delve further, you'll see the interplay of routine and remarkable challenges, emphasizing the incredible human capacity for adaptation and discovery amidst the isolate expanse of space. Aboard the space station, astronauts' days are filled with both groundbreaking research and vital maintenance, each task a step towards unraveling space's mysteries while improving life on Earth. Conducting experiments in microgravity contributes to advancements across many fields: biology, physics, and more, showcasing the profound impact of these endeavors on our understanding of the universe. Meanwhile, maintenance ensures the station's operational safety, a testament to human ingenuity and the commitment to thrive in space. This mix of exhilarating research and essential upkeep underlines the astronauts' dual role as explorers and guardians, embodying the multifaceted nature of space missions. Their work, significant for both immediate needs and future ventures, illustrates the precise balance required for sustained life in space and the pursuit of scientific breakthroughs. In space, astronauts confront the challenge of muscle and bone atrophy due to microgravity. Exercise thus becomes not just a routine, but a critical survival strategy. They spend 2 hours daily on specialized equipment, ensuring their physical well-being to support the rigors of space and the eventual return to Earth's gravity. This necessity for physical activity highlights the constant focus on maintaining health in an environment that demands innovative solutions. As we explore the daily lives of astronauts further, transitioning into how they unwind and maintain connections with loved ones despite the vast distances, the importance of mental and emotional well-being alongside physical health becomes apparent, revealing the holistic approach needed for life in space. Far from Earth's gravity, astronauts carve out moments of serenity and connection, transitioning from rigorous science to valued downtime. Leisure activities like watching movies together, floating around a laptop, become surreal yet profound experiences of camaraderie and normalcy. Communicating with family via video calls with the stunning backdrop of Earth underscores the resilience of human connections across cosmic distances. These interactions, essential for mental and emotional health, reflect the astronauts' remarkable adaptability and the strength of their emotional bonds. As we delve deeper into the celestial journey, the essence of the human experience shines brightly, demonstrating that even in the most extraordinary conditions, basic human needs and desires remain unchanged, reinforcing our adaptability and resilience. In the tranquil expanse of space, astronauts prepare for a night of sleep that defies earthly norms. Floating in sleeping bags, they embrace a nocturnal solace that transcends sunrise and sunset, adapting to a sleep cycle dictated by the station's journey around Earth. This adaptation, both physical and mental, to sleeping conditions in space underscores a wider narrative of human resilience. As they drift into the realm of sleep among the stars, astronauts embody the spirit of exploration, a constant pursuit of understanding across the universe's vastness. This segment of our voyage highlights not just the challenges faced, but the profound ability of humans to adapt and thrive. It serves as a prelude to the broader narrative of exploration and ambition that guides our journey through space and marks the collective human endeavor to uncover the secrets of the cosmos. Diving deeper into the core challenges of space travel, astronauts face the disorientation of microgravity and the solitude of the cosmos. These trials test their physical orientation and mental resilience, emphasizing the intricate dance between human toughness and the boundless universe. This segment reveals how astronauts transcend these challenges through grace, ingenuity, and the vital connections formed with fellow crew members. Their experience speaks volumes about our capability to adapt and supports the idea that each challenge surmounted in space adds to our collective knowledge, driving humanity forward. As we continue our exploration, remember that these trials in the vast silence of space not only push the limits of human endurance, but also underline the collective aspirations that propel us into the unknown, fostering a deeper understanding of space's influence on human spirit and sociality. At the forefront of our quest for knowledge, astronauts and robotic explorers like the rovers on Mars work to unlock the mysteries of the universe. These missions, spearheaded by agencies like NASA, blend groundbreaking research with the practical necessities of space travel, enhancing our understanding of the cosmos. The synergy between these endeavors and the continuous research aboard the ISS highlights a holistic approach to exploration. Every discovery brings us closer to becoming a multiplanetary species, driven by a shared desire to explore and a commitment to collaborative innovation. This part of our narrative not only celebrates the technological achievements, but also the international partnerships that make such advancements possible, showcasing how combined efforts can propel humanity to new frontiers, broadening our cosmic perspective and ensuring a continued quest for discovery. ESA's pioneering projects span from our atmosphere to deep space, reflecting humanity's insatiable curiosity and our need to understand and connect with the universe. These ventures, from climate monitoring to deep space exploration, demonstrate our collective ability to push the boundaries of what's possible. Each mission embarks on answering enduring questions, inspiring future generations to explore. The work of ESA, pivotal in expanding our cosmic understanding, also signifies our responsibility towards Earth and our aspirations as a species to venture beyond known confines. As we move forward, ESA's role in shaping our journey into the stars highlights the power of collaboration and innovation in unlocking the mysteries of the cosmos, inspiring a global effort to explore, understand, and ultimately thrive in the vast expanse of space. At the brink of a new era in space exploration, the innovations of SpaceX revolutionize our approach to the cosmos, characterized by reusable rockets and the vision of Mars colonization. This shift towards sustainability in space travel exemplifies the evolving narrative of human exploration. SpaceX's ambitious projects, including the Starship missions aimed at Mars, underscore a future where interplanetary life is within our grasp. These advancements, bridging the gap between dreams and reality, mark a pivotal change in how we perceive our place in the universe. As we explore this transformative approach, the story of space exploration continues to evolve, showcasing the blend of ingenuity and curiosity that propels us forward. The journey with SpaceX reflects not just technological prowess, but also the enduring human desire to explore the unknown, paving the way for future generations to reach beyond the stars. As our narrative journey concludes, we find ourselves at the threshold of a new chapter in space exploration. This future, shaped by international collaboration and cutting-edge technology, invites us to dream bigger and reach further than ever before. Imagining a future where Mars becomes a second home and space stations serve as beacons of unity reflects our collective will to explore the cosmos. This vision, carried forward by the advancements in technology and the spirit of global cooperation, paints a future where humanity's place in the universe expands beyond our earthly origins. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the challenges, innovations, and achievements that define space exploration. As we look up at the stars, let's envision them not just as points of light, but as destinations awaiting our arrival, united by our shared passion for discovery and exploration. Here's to the future, a future of boundless possibilities and endless horizons.